Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a deal board, how to automate it to track on which stage of the sales process your lead is currently in. So we're going to start from the support module of your workspace. I already opened it right here, and we're on the dashboard, and we have to go to the deals board on the left hand side. Let's go there, and usually here you have the list of all the deal boards available to you in your system, but today we're going to create a new one. So let's create a new deal board right here and just fill out some basic information. So right now we're going to create a deal board that tracks the stages, well, kind of the which stage your lead is in, starting from the quiz submission. So let's call it the quiz leads. And the currency is just the currency of the transactions that you make. For me, it's going to be euros. And for now, let's leave the won and lost columns. We're going to come back to there soon. Now, let's define the stages for your sales process. The first stage would be, as we defined, quiz submitted. Then the second stage, if you have result videos, you can say Vistia video number 1 watched if you think it's relevant for you. Then the next step would be call scheduled and call completed. But if you have, for example, not one but two calls in program, you can say the first call is scheduled, the first call is completed, and you can also say the second call scheduled, second call completed. But honestly, let's just stick with one, the first one, just for the basic example. Right, great. Now we add a new stage, and after a call completed, there is only one possibility. It's either lead is converted or not. And if a lead became a client, we just simply can write client. And if we lost lead, so he didn't convert, we can just simply write lost. Now you might have also saw this win probability percentage. Now this stats is kind of really subjective, and it's based on your perception and your forecast for each stage. So for example, on your opinion, how much of the win probability percentage there is at the stage quiz submitted. So what's the probability you're going to convert the client at this stage? And the quiz right now, it's quite low, I would say, but as they go through the funnel, it increases, of course. So they watch the video, it would be already 25, for example. I would just set it, it's very customizable and it's individual. Call scheduled already would be 60 for me, and call completed 85. Yep, we can say it even, yeah, let's go for 90 even. And the client, when the lead becomes client, it's definitely 100%, and when it's lost, we say 0%, as easy as that. Now let's go back up to won and lost column, and here we just assign which stage of our sale process is the client, means clients is won, so the lead became the client, and it's definitely going to be the client. The lost column is when we lose the lead and don't kind of finalize close the deal, so it means lost. Now let's go way back. And here we have labels, and these labels you can assign to any user and lead you have as to identify how ready the lead is to close the deal. So is it cold, so not quite ready yet, warm is closer to the deal closure, and hot, it's right there. So you can choose the labels that of your liking, the colors, maybe you can rename them, add more. And as of agents, this is just your sales agent that is responsible for that, and I will be responsible. Let's go for the role. I'm going to be the owner, and I will have 100% of the deals. Now we confirm. Let it load a little bit. Now once loaded, in the list of deal boards, you have the deal board we had just created. Let's go and see it. And here we will have all the stages that we have created, starting from the quiz submitted, ending with clients lost. Once we automate the process, you will have the total expected value that you will receive if you close the deals, and the leads on the different stages of the sales process. You can either move them by automating the process or by hand, so it's not going to be a problem for you. So now, once we created a deal board, it's time to automate the process and the creation of the deals. So we have to close the support module and go to your marketing module. We're going to start by creating the first very important workflow that actually creates the deal, and we're going to go to the workflows right here. Let's create a new one, and since we set the trigger quiz submitted, we're going to say quiz lead deal board automation. Automatic creation, let's go like this, and we confirm. Now our trigger will be quiz submitted for the deal creation, and let's choose which quiz it is. It will be example quiz. Now we go to action and we choose the block which says create the deal, and now this is where the magic happens. Let's actually create it and set it up. So here you first have to choose to which deal board this deal will be assigned to, where it will be added to. That's right. And now we set the name. So me personally, I like to keep it simple. So I just insert the first name. Here we use the user keys and the last name of the client. So this way I don't want any other words that would be like in my way, something to confuse me. Very organized and simple. Now we do have the sales process, right? People submit the quiz, go through the funnel in order to actually purchase your offer. Now you have to choose here a product that you already pre-created before actually setting up your deal board, deal automation, and it will be a test product. So basically what it means, people are going through this funnel, through the sales process to purchase this final test product. And what is the deal? What is the deal value of this product? For me, it will be like 100 of euros. And it will automatically assign to an agent, which we chose in the deal board. And what will be the first stage once the deal is created? It's going to be quiz submitted, right? And which label we will assign first of all to this lead is going to be kind of cold, because it's just the initial stages. So this is it, and we've done everything, and we save it. Great. Now there's also a way to upgrade and update these deals. So let's go back to workflows and create a new workflow. Now quiz lead deal update. This is to automate the process of moving the actual deal of the client deal from one stage to another. So for example, from quiz submitted to the first call scheduled. So you don't have to go in there and do it automatically, like by hand. So let's set as a trigger, well, for example, I want the person has already submitted the quiz, and now he has scheduled a call. How do I move the person from quiz submitted to call scheduled? Of course, for my call, I'm going to have a thank you page, right? And the trigger would be the page visited, the thank you page is visited. So we set page visited block, and we select URI condition is equal to, and we insert the URI for already pre-made thank you page, right? Now we go to actions and we update the deal. Here it is. Update the deal. Let's click in here. And we select the action type. The action type is condition based. We select the deal board where this deal is in, and it's quiz leads. Now we add the condition. So the condition is the stage that has to be already done in order to pass to another one. So we need to have stage, for example, stage quiz submitted. It has to be done for sure. And only then, when the page visited, we can move our stage from quiz submitted to call scheduled. It means that when they visit the page, they get updated into the call scheduled stage in the deal board. Now this is as easy as that, and we save that. And we go to our workflows. Now everything is set and ready. The only thing that you have to do is to activate this workflows by doing so. And now, even more important detail, let's activate it, Even more important detail is that you have to go as a test run through your whole funnel and insert just, test name, first name, to see how the deals are operating, whether everything is working, or whether the workflow has been properly made, the triggers are defined properly, and everything runs smoothly. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team, and please look forward to our other tutorial videos. Bye bye.